Today's update covers Nifty's potential rebound after 3 days of losses, driven by positive global cues and rising hopes for a Fed rate cut. However, caution remains due to recession fears and geopolitical tensions. GIFT Nifty is aiming to rise from last 3 days of drubbing. The big question, will the said rebound pick up steam or will it be dead cat bounce? For the day, we think sentiments could turn around to super bullish mode, but with any interweek perspective, any excessive strength could be an opportunity to lighten long positions. Nifty could gain this Wednesday amidst 1. Positive overnight Wall Street cues on backdrop of Japanese Nikkei index, which closed 10% higher on Tuesday after falling more than 12% on Monday. 2. The odds of a double rate cut in September just spiked. Fed Funds futures now see a 71.5% chance of a 50 basis point cut at the FOMC's September meeting. 3. WTI crude futures fell below $73 per barrel, the lowest in 6 months. But digging deeper, the negative catalysts continue to appear on the horizon. 1. No major positive surprises from corporate India Q1 June earnings. 2. Fears of a U.S. recession. 3. Geopolitical, Israel-Iran, tensions escalate. Long story short, expect a brighter Wednesday for struggling Nifty and its stocks. Global cues are positive. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 3531 crores, while DIIs were net buyers to the tune of Rs 3357 crores. Sentiments could turn to a super bullish mode. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are still indicating oversold conditions. Fando August month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,500 to 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index, has slipped towards 18.74. Nifty PCR, 29th August, is at 0.50 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 28th August, is at 0.90. Nifty outlook, bulls are likely to regroup. Nifty, CMP to 3993. Key intraday support on Nifty is placed only at 23,891 mark. Immediate resistance is placed at 24,701 mark. Range for the day is between 23,900 to 4500. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 49748. Bank Nifty's biggest support seen at 48,910 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 51,151 mark. Bank Nifty is likely to trade between 49,500 and 50500. Bias for the day is positive. In yesterday's trade, Nifty faltered after a very good start. By close of Tuesday's trading session, Nifty ended below 24,000, Sensex below 79,000 and Bank Nifty below 50,000 mark. We suspect the improving risk mood this Wednesday shall make it difficult for the bears to step in. The positive catalyst, investors likely to position for a Fed rate cut in September. The clock is actually ticking for a September US rate cut. This week, all eyes now will be on RBI MPC outcome on Thursday, 8 August. Q1 results to trickle in today: Pidilite, Godrej Consumer, BSE, Radico Khaitan, Krishna Institute, Lemon Tree, NHPC, BASF.